Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Daily English Learning with Nour. Today, we're going to learn 10 must-know English vocabulary words. These are easy, useful, and perfect for anyone learning English. So, let's get started. Word 1. Serene, meaning calm and peaceful. Example, she enjoyed the serene beauty of the mountain lake. Repeat after me. Serene. Word 2. Dwell, meaning to live in a place or think deeply about something. Example, don't dwell on the past, focus on the future. We mean to think about the bad things that happened in the past. 3. Elated, meaning extremely happy or joyful. Example, he was elated when he received the job offer. After me. Elated. Word 4. Vivid, meaning producing strong, clear images or feelings. Example, she gave a vivid description of her dream vacation. After me. Vivid. Word 5. Reluctant, meaning unwilling or hesitant. Example, he was reluctant to speak in front of the crowd. Repeat after me. Reluctant. Word 6. Thrive, meaning to grow or succeed well. Example, plants thrive in sunlight and fresh air. After me. Thrive. Word 7. Grasp, meaning to understand clearly. Example, she grasped the lesson quickly. Word 8. Cautious, meaning careful to avoid problems or danger. Example, he is cautious when driving in the rain. He is driving carefully to avoid any accidents. He is being cautious. After me. Cautious. Word 9. Inspire, meaning to encourage someone to do something good or creative. Example, a woman is giving a speech. Her story inspired many people. Repeat after me. Inspire. Word 10. Hinder, meaning to slow down or stop progress. Example, lack of sleep can hinder your focus. Repeat after me. Hinder. And now it's time for a quick review. Before the review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And now let's quickly review all 10 words. Serene, dwell, elated, vivid, reluctant, thrive, grasp, cautious, inspire, hinder. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And this brings us to the end of today's exciting video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. See you next time, and keep learning English every day. Bye!